I never be smart. I need to shield ukuthi ayisebenzisi so be free ukudla kwakhe because sengiyazi angekho la yangithola.
No, it's not exactly downfall, but everything has a comeback. If ever we're not using it will be even food. There is someone who has to pay the price. Always. If ever actually open the price, the camera is going to attack. But about she's 17 years old. Consent. What do you say about consent? If ever I was able to know me, I would like so apparently I'm a screenshot on a conversation why can I was one. And I was so nice and she couldn't
Ola, ngiyabonga bafethu ukuthi ngibuyile futhi le ntwana yini bafethu thini imseshu fana ngangivanga ngi1 bafethu ngiphethele izinto zimnandi lokungivane thilamo 20B diskipper
as keeping next ngithanda ukubonga nje kuphela ukuthi sifikile ku2025 njengoba bengekho la ku podcast show hayi ukuthi bengafuni ukuza but amabaka yabo
phela amabaka awusela amabaka
no like it's 2025 and I need to are setting goals and kunezinto esifuna ukuzenza and then i-podcast nayi-shiftisa kancane ukuthi yabona ngikwazi ukwenza my personal stuff
so ngesikhona le the way sithi singakhona ama-supporters wethu ukuthi vele so upload each and every day futhi ngeke sikhona ukuyenza leyo ngoba ngathi i-podcast last thing yakho in your mind.
No, it's not the last thing on my mind but ukuthi like I had to deal with my personal stuff and then ngibuye ku-podcast and it's not like bengingakhulumi now angazi wafuna manje ukuthi
sikhulumile
yeah, we did talk about it and ngaxolisa ukuthi I haven't been here and guys firstly happy new year ngoba ngigcine last year and again compliments. I hope everything ebiplanile ngo2025 izoyenzakala masingena ku2026 uzoqala a new chapter again. So Serge, how have you been? And today it's Sunday, so ama plans wakho Sunday bewahamba kanjani?
Mina uvela sama plans wama Sunday ngisontweni kushuta podcast kushuta nje so and then ngofanda into special ngayo fanda Sunday ukuthi ngizekina ngithi after church wangiphakela becala
asabe phehla
I never be smart. I need to shield ukuthi ayisebenzisi so be free ukudla kwakhe because sengiyazi angekho la yangithola.
Vele angikho la. Yo and yazi ne this week nje ngo2025 abantu
bayenziwa
bayaboshwa
camera ayifiki la mawuthi
okay abantu bayaboshwa guys. Ugogo Maweni allegedly arrested for a assault eyenzakale eDlamini Soweto in 2019 if I'm not mistaken, and then we suspect 5 murder charges.
5
and pregnant nama twins matching.
Pregnant ngama twins. How do you know which pregnant?
Ushilo lapha makacela ibail
uyazimogole
athi like she's pregnant but right now custody because lento they trainer this and then ugogo Skitheni went live and said allegedly said she's not happy ukuthi ugogo Maweni uboshiwe. Not all like that. Begalokho a poster even though umntwana akaqeda ukushona, but people from social media they feel like ujabulele ukuthi uMaweni uboshiwe.
Wena ngokubona kwakho uthi ujabulile la ngajabula.
Mina ibenu uye bengizojabula.
Ujabulelana uboshiwe umunye umuntu. Ngeke uzojabulela downfall omunye umfazi yawo.
No, it's not exactly downfall, but everything has a comeback. If ever wena uyenza izinto ezimbi ebantwini.
Yeah.
There is someone who has to pay the price. Always. If ever akusuye obhadala iprice kusho ukuthi ikarma is gonna attack bapi abantwana bani.
So when you believe kulezi zinto zama karma.
Yes, karma is a bitch and it never forgets the address. If nawe lapho uyenze something bad to someone, just know ukuthi there's karma coming back for you and it never forgets the address.
So mawubhekile ikhona icomeback yakho mawe.
Yes, and I think this is the comeback because all the things she has been doing.
Like comeback, like you understand the question, like comeback, I need to imagine like ubulo west yakhe like angaba.
No, it's a comeback for all the things, the bad things she did. So there's nothing is on savor here.
Like say China, iki comeback, like China.
Ayiki comeback ukuthi
ichayile. Mara sazi kwazi judge ukuthi kwenzakalana ngithatha.
Ngavele kulomhlaba
asibonga ukuthi sesibuyile futhi emakamereni nale story lezi esiziningi abokoko maweni esishilo ukuthi nicaphele bafethu like abantu enibathembayo phela cabanga ke like abantu laba meka bathwasisa ke sozazi ukuthi uteacher wakho umbulali like
allegedly umbulali because it is not yet confirmed ukuthi uba bulele bayam accuse so allegedly so yeah and nobani nomntana ka Sonia Mbele.
Yeah.
Apparently. Yeah. Apparently. And she's 17 years old, which means
after 12 is large.
Consent. What do we say about consent? If ever I was able to no means no. Like yabon. So apparently we have screenshots. Wama conversation wakhe nalomntwana ekhuluma na ecolisa ukuthi yena akayicabanga ngale ndlela leyo and then his unani was so nice and he couldn't hold himself blah 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 uyabona ukuthi lo mfana lo uyadelela. I think he's using ipower yokuthi umama yakhe is someone we look up to in this community so yena uyenza kuphela and akabona ukuthi he's tarnishing her mom's name.
Obvious izoba njalo no ukuthi uzothi mara ngithi if i-boyfriend and girlfriend sijwayele ukuthi wena mawumvakashele senza lento zabantu abadala.
But if I don't feel like having like
mara umiyekelile lo first 5 minutes
no like bekalokho like he was very persuasive like let's and become forced uyabona like yes become forced
wrong forced uphelele ejele bafethu
and lento le include ku gender based violence ukuthi uviolate omunye umntana if ever akafuni sesh nawe ngiyakutshela manje mina ngifuni ukuyobakashela ecourt or ngiyobhekelela lapha use court if ever intombazana iza kuwe ukuthi nivumelane kangakanani nisuke estradeni nayenzani if ever nafika la kwakho wafika wathi in mase ngathi ngicela ungangibambila just miyekele nanoma adla imali yakho it's fine makahambe
awungeke ayiphume bayaza abajolena yemayiphuma yaza abajolena.
No, but it's wrong. Consent like it's very important because what if lo mntwana lo unama past traumas kwenzakale ezinye izinto in the past. I'm just saying nje like maybe kunezinye izinto ama traumas wena uyafika la uyamcindezela umvusela amanceba akudala uyabona umntana abantu manje simakase kambophisa kuba ngathi ufuna i-attention kanti no guys consent.
So I understand mara kusho ukuthi ke machita makathi no yino ungafusi ke wacho
yena
so wena ukaya wachakela muthu hawo la ukhoyi plus muthu hawo bloma fero wanamela taxi awuvaya awufika la uri usayela nda.
No, like why every time it about the deed. Not always about the deed, but like ukana wayo chekela muthu hawo la dula have conversations, they talk the blah blah. It's not always. If it happens, it happens. But if I say no, I don't feel like doing. Like respect my decision. I'm full.
Oh, yeah, ne. Shukuthi like wamele siyeke lento umjolo like imongo ku reach bo ma 20. Wamele umjolo bathi uqala ku 25 yabo. if inajola ni underage leyo 25 kushawa amahata span blind ashaya khuti ke
anye ube ne trust muzi kanjalo
like
ube ne trust
kanjani
if isecela Johnson bakhodi kawo istimani bancane sinacavana ukuthi okay usesho umuntu ophila kanje na kanje na kanje noma senihoti mawflop uyacava ukuthi ukukhula down kanjani
like it make sense into ngikhuluma i-girlfriend yami le ngijela naye ngisasenabo ma-18 ikuphi manje le ngijele nangina 20 ikuphi manje le ngijele nangina 16 ikuphi manje bethe ngibele ngibekele yona lo 25
uyafunda like right now
Ufunda.
like angithi mawuqala ujola angithi obvious mawuqala ujola uzobona ukuthi umuntu wami umuntu onjani if ebe uyabona ukuthi lo girl lo uyangibhayizisa uzophuma kuye lo girl okubhayizisayo uthole omunye and not every
no
like search ungayithola isoulmate yakho along the process but
yini
empilweni
soulmate
ukuthi lele bakhethe along the way lele bakhethe
yini isoulmate kucala
umuntu like omthandayo niyathandana everything like is going with the flow
so mawuthi kwamele bangethe kwamele ke soulmate yami lo uthi soulmate ifike kimi ke ngina 26 sekize yami seni repeatizile lingekethile ni
oh I say yazini asiyeke lento abayomjolo ngoba izosiqabanisa
ngoba so bad so it's
izosiqabanisa
better if simela lo age le
i25 okay it bathi uqala ukujola ku25 u25 le kuze khona uqala ukuzifundisa ukuheva i-conversation with intombazana ukuthi intombazana iba kanjani in so uzoyenza kanjani lezi zinto ngoba it's prohibited from the age of 16 until 25
isibona ukuthi bazothi angeke mina nawe sesikhulume like no siyabona like ungaba nama male friends uyifini ku right mara like ningabi ku relationship like lokuthi najola sekunokuthi ni rapene no yabona cabanga ifuture ka boy no is
what about abafazi abana 25 years 26 abathi ba rapiwe what about them
believe like
no it's mostly believable with the 16 17 18 19 but my color iyale I'm like a community judge and feel like we attention seeker or something let me make an example allegedly uyakhumbula Amanda Dupont Amanda Dupont wathi Jup umrapile
yeah
then baba ne case yenye allegedly ka Sjava no
yeah
ladies ama ukuthi uSjava umrapile what happened with ladies ama because right now every time she tries to post something on social media
that's why
just like abafazi like why
angithi labantu babadala bakumathethisi wabo angithi and ama celebrity bethu if but angithi yazi once athi uSjava umrapile yini so obviously yazi ukuthi career yaSjava sifake training
manje eyakhe
ayibhiliki
kuwa eyakhe
emjisa
uSjava naye uwile but ladies ama the way people are treating her on social media
because babona ukuthi
no what if she's not lying like sometimes izinto zenzakala kithi search like game like izenzakala then I decide to keep quiet but as time goes on yabona ukuthi like this person is getting away with this like mele sibheke istory both sides angeke sichoose iside la kaSjava ngoba usikhiphela ingoma masihethekile we must also sibheke mele sibheke iside la ladies ama ukuthi where she comes from you know how kunzima kanjani ukuthi unga accuse a celebrity ukuthi ikrapile because this person is a public figure yes which means she had a motive and asazi wazi ladies ama noSjava ukuthi what really happened that day so thina we have no right ukuthi sijudge
kawuyamangaza lento le uvulela kanjalo umuntu kudala ubloma naye ukuthi
ugrape yangona into ngisho and ukuthi
even though you are in a relationship even though umuntu angagrape nijola if ever wathi angifuni kusho ukuthi wena go against your consent
so okay
nangithi like if ever like ngihlala ngithi God forbid ngikipita nomuntu wami siyahlala so then today I say uyang like obvious uyangibamba and stuff and ngiyamtshela ukuthi angifuni like I'm not feeling like yabona sila ubusy lapha like usedlebeni yami kusho ukuthi kunabanye abakubambayo sengenzani sengiyanikela ngoba uyazi urapile ngoba bengingafuni I didn't want to
it's not the matter of ukuthi ngigibele itaxi
nanoma ngawalka even uthi bebathi ngiyawalka ukuya kuyi lo muntu lo ngiyamthemba, this is my person,
So
ngiyamthemba. So if ever ngithi mele abe ukuthi yazi umuntu wami akafuni, and let's not force things.
so nokwamele siya-advise ama-first students angithi basuke emakhaya babhaye abasuke emakhaya bofika ngaye edolobheni ngejozi khona la bazobe bakhona emadolobheni bavasithi ushawa
I-peer
yasho bohlangana nenkulu amahivi ngadana ama-miniskate yena usuke emakhaya
angazi ukuthi mina mangizoba advisor ngithini ngoba I can't relate. I can't relate, but siyazibona lezi zinto lezenzakala. Yeah, these things happen. So guys, if ever siyazi ukuthi bathenga ama-iPhone bathi wathenga imali NSFAS hayibo.
Athenga ama-iPhone balelesfast mara abanye bayithenga khosesikile abakhona ngahlala erest ngiyayazi irest life sayithenga i-iPhone erest
5K.
esithenge i-iPhone angithi
pre-owned iPhone 5000. So when imali yakho ye-NSFAS mayiqeda ukungena 5K ithi ba uyayihambisa uyonikeza umuntu uthathe i-iPhone.
sengizodla ama-noodles nyaka wonke ama-noodles isishebo sasevasithi ngitshela ama-noodles isishebo sasevasithi isinkwa sidla ngama-noodles ipapa sidla ngama-noodles ezokune-iPhone
hayi shem amakashem niphefumula ngenceba shem. So what happens if ever like yabona ama-textbook blah blah all those things uzenza kanjani?
akuthi izozoyo amawonke angithi abanye bawugaya phela ama-textbook
Nizovela kancane bazovela kancane
angeke bakhona vele abanama-bless ukuthi usuke emakhaya umntana angazi next ifike ke-house lapha nemali ifike ilahlela isitini etafuleni abona yalahlela isitini etafuleni ithi ahamba othenga nje iwivi leligcobo umngani wakho phela ayabona yona engathi izongiphilisa
yazi izolo mangilokho ngisikora ku-Facebook yazi ngithole enye into it's not funny but it's hilarious at the same time. So lo but lo but uhlala allegedly Hillbrow. So ngathi uthole ugirl wakhe achita bese wathi uyazilahlela ku building uyazibulala wawela phezu kweteksi
amanje iteksi ayidamajeka
igobekile so bekahleli kanje uyambona ukuthi like awukawisho ukuthi bekasurvivile phela manje bekaneyinkinga mara inkinga zakhe zongezekile ngoba manje sekumele ukuthi ayobhadala iteksi emoshekile and wathi bekumahla like
bathi ngokumahlelela ayithoba kanjani le student lezi abazishitelayo ugelwa khona unebless like injalo
so mina nginguye ngaphinda ngizizame yazi futhi
ukuthi suicide angithi bamchitela angamyeke ngikhizisho la le angamyeke ungathatha life yakho for mara abafethu.
But aside, maybe the story samanga, maybe there's more to the story, but that's the short. No, bengisifunda lesa story, and then your ama comments they were fire, like they ngaze ngawela phansi. Like uwele phezu kweteksi, like iteksi yakho bengazilahlela ngithi uwele phezu kweteksi beyipakile le taxi lelo apparently. So guys, people are going through that. Cabanga nje i2025 isaqala. Sase siku January. Nakusasa iJanuary na after kusasa iJanuary ayifuni ukuphela abantu sebayagowa klar. Cabanga asikafiki na uFebruary. Sekayagowa nje. Sekayefuna
ukuzisuicide manje. Yeah,
I hope you heal, brother.
Mjolo. That's what I'm saying.
And I know, I think that guy maybe guma late 20s or early 30s, because he looks young, but I want he.
Yeah, but it's he broke like I'm a foreigner. Ngiyabona abantu bakada 250 mara
uthola ukuthi lo mntana lo bekachita ngokonko umntana abantu abelo wahetheka kwese ukuthi uokonko amazulu agcwele kanjani
hayi wena manje yini kuba nje ilelo
amagama wabo
Oh.
abojolof nabokukule
so
Bakugcwele bona phela.
unomnikeza i-chance oyithola
yobani angeke
Bakhona bonke kuba right akusukuthi bonke
ngizona manje wena kanti ufuna unjani
ngithi mayiqala ithi phesheya
right ufuna abana emzansi
Hayi, ngamane
USA nasemzansi.
hayi ngamane nje
USA
e-USA
Ngamanga.
mara
no e-USA like cabanga like I have to compromise
Mara,
my family my like abantu abahlala ngala cabanga if ever my USA boyfriend says I think you should stay this side no longer come back to South Africa blah blah ha South Africa kumnandi kanje siyagoa mara every day silethola isikhatha
ufuna ukuthi ufuna i-boyfriend yasesaya yes
no angifuni indoda yase-USA
yase-SA yala
SA
ufuna ebhemi park because I don't think ikhona engapheli ufuna ebhemi park ufuna ebhemi park ufuna nje i-tourist
no akhona amadoda la we have men not all men bayenza
la SA
bayatshaya why ungatithatha specifically ukuthi
yonke imsotra yonke imhambisa like wonke Jimiston Binoni
uyayibhema nawe ipipe
mina ngibhemi park
okay
angibhemi
so ukuthi uyi-one ukhona nawe musi
mina sengithathiwe musayikho mina kusegamayeleboni
kodwa abanye
abafana la
abafana
asibona.
abasingle njengami yabona abazi
salukuzimakethe uyajola otherwise siyabonga bafethu ukuthi ningathi nizosicolela ukuthi kumnyama esho umhlakasuva yile nazi la siphila khona bafethu siphila ngonceba mara siphethe la yini bafethu ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe la ningaview kuphela nanathanda watcha kuphela yo uyasubscribe ukusubscribe angeke ukukhosta next athi yami vele siyabonga idatha lapho ipitri lakho sobona bafethu anko awe
Internal closing.
wena iphelile flavor phela mkhulu